So guys, in today's video, I'll be moisturizing my hair. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair. That has helped me retain length so far. If this is the kind of videos you like, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I just finished washing my hair not quite long, so I won't be using water. I'll just go in with my conditioner and the rest. Look at the length. So guys, I'm doing the LCO method. That's liquid, conditioner and oil. Guys, if you don't moisturize your hair, I don't know what else you're doing because dry hair leads to breakage. That is why I don't joke with moisturizing my hair. I do this at least 4 times a week, every single week. So guys, I like applying this butter to my ends this way. So guys, I'll be going in with my oil. This is my go-to hair growth oil. Sit in the moisture. It's time to sit in the moisture. So guys, this is how I moisturize my hair every single day, or at least 4 to 5 times in a week. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications to know each time I post a new video. Bye guys.